Now you might be wondering how to exactly edit the email address that gets notified on your Wix forms. Well, this one is kind of easy, also kind of complicated because they actually updated how things work here. So there's a thing called automations here with forms inside Wix. So that's how we are going to edit it. So how do we access that? Well, this one's really easy. You just need to open up or select your form here in your editor. You want to go and click on settings. Now at the right side, you should see your form settings. Let's go and click on manage. Click on manage forms and it should open up your dashboard here. You should be able to see your forms and submissions and just select the form that you've recently created or you currently have right now. Like for example, I have this form here. Let's go and click on the three-dotted option at the right side. Click on form notifications and it should redirect you directly into the section for notifications and automations. Now in here you want to go and look for the option that says new submission received for contact form. Let's go and click on edit. Now in here you want to go and select the option or section here that says send an email, and we just need to configure who's going to receive this email. Now you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see section that says set recipients, and from here you can go and just add your recipients. Now the great thing about this one is you can add like your contacts, you can add like roles that you've set up to in your Wix website, or you could go and just choose other recipients, and you could just basically use business email and click on continue here, and it will basically use the business email. But then again, if you want to add someone, go and click on contacts and select their name in here or create a new one. And once you've selected them, you go and click on add, and that should basically allow them to be notified with the changes or whenever the form is actually submitted. Just make sure to click on publish changes at the top right here, and you show that it actually it will basically use the new features that you just added or new settings that you added here. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.